Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some smart, elegant, beautiful, bright collections only for you. Pure handloom one. So let me display. Very nice one, silver base. 27A K1 is sari code, 2600 is sari price. Very beautiful, smart one, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue lane with contrast color, full check, base part is checks pattern. This one is full base part, beautiful checks, and this one is beautiful border, silver zari 1-inch border with highlighted green contrast border line. Very nice one. And this one is full base part, contrast color, beautiful checks, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue lane, have sign also, silver sign. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine contrast colors, stripes pattern pallu. This one is pallu, very elegant one. And this one is highlighted border, silver zari 1-inch border with highlighted green, highlighted blue contrast border. Very nice one. And this one is full base part, beautiful checks, and this one is fully checks design, full base part, very smart, elegant, exclusive look, soft, lightweight, comfortable, have silver sign also, silver tissue lane. Very nice one. And I will suggest this brocade work, heavy brocade work, blue shade contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 3000 for your exclusive smart bright looks. This one also beautiful one, same material, different color, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue lane, have golden sign, contrast green checks. Very nice one, elegant looks. This one is full base part, this one is contrast color, full base part is beautiful checks, and this one is border portion. Very nice one, golden zari 1-inch border, highlighted green lines, very exclusive one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, golden zari, bright golden zari stripes with beautiful contrast color, fine stripes design, pallu, very smart, elegant, exclusive looks, premium quality, pure handloom, soft tissue lane. Very nice one, best for your party wear also, have sign. This one is full base part, beautiful one, soft, comfortable, smart, bright, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving, Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3200 for your elegant, exclusive looks. The material, bright color, very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue lane with beautiful checks design, contrast color, very nice one, same design, same material, tissue lane. This one is full base part, this one is contrast color border, 1-inch golden zari, highlighted contrast pink lines, and this one is full base part, beautiful smart checks, have golden sign, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue lane. Very smart one. And this one is pallu part, very bright looks, highlighted bright golden zari stripes with beautiful fine contrast color, stripes pattern pallu. And this one is full base part, beautiful checks, very smart, trendy one. This one is beautiful border, and this one is full base part, very elegant one. And I will suggest this pure silk material, silk weaving work, full base part, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3200 for your exclusive bright, elegant looks. This one also same material, bright color, red shade, golden base, very exclusive bright one. This one is best for your festive wear also. This one is full base part, have golden sign. This one is border, golden zari 1-inch golden zari border with red contrast highlighted lines, and this one is full base part, bright red contrast threaded checks. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, bright golden zari stripes with fine weaving stripes design, very nice one. This one is full base part, golden base, have golden sign. This one is full base, very nice one, elegant, exclusive, smart looks, very trendy one. And I will suggest this pure silk material, beautiful Banarasi weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3200 for your bright, exclusive, smart looks. This one also very exclusive one, pure handloom muslin Banarasi, very nice one, 27A K2 is saree code, 6000 is saree price. Pure muslin with contrast color, silver zari weaving, Banarasi work, very nice one, soft, comfortable, smart, elegant looks. This one is contrast color, pink border with fully silver zari hand weaving, Banarasi work. And this one is full base part, pure muslin, pure handloom muslin with Banarasi work. This one is Banarasi weaving border, fully hand weaving, and this one is border, fully Banarasi weaving, silver zari Banarasi weaving border design, very elegant, exclusive looks. This one is full base part, transparent, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, black base with silver zari weaving, Banarasi work. This one is beautiful stripes pattern, silver zari with buta work, very elegant, smart, exclusive, bright looks. This one is full base part, pure muslin Banarasi. This one is full base part, transparent. This one is border, contrast color with silver zari weaving, Banarasi work border, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this synthetic material, heavy brocade work, contrast bright, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 6200 for your bright, exclusive, gorgeous looks. This one also this one also very soft, comfortable one, pure handloom khadi cotton, 27A K3 is saree code, 1900 only is saree price, very soft, comfortable one, based for your office wear, very trendy, smart looks. This one is full base part, very soft, comfortable. This one is full base part, and this one is bordered, fine contrast color with fine weaving design border, and this one is full base part, gray base, soft, comfortable, smart, elegant looks without running blouse piece. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base part, very soft, comfortable one. This one is full base part, and this one is border, contrast color, fine weaving border, very exclusive, soft, comfortable, smart looks without running blouse piece, only saree length. And I will suggest this synthetic material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2100 for your elegant, exclusive looks, exclusive daily looks, very soft, comfortable one. And this one also same material, black base with beautiful weaving design. Let me open, beautiful color combinations also, contrast border, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton, soft khadi cotton. And this one is full base part, this one is border, contrast color with fine weaving design border, and this one is full base part, beautiful one, very comfortable, summer friendly, based for your daily summer office wear, very exclusive one. This one is beautiful border design without running blouse piece, only saree length. This one is border, and this one is full base part, very comfortable one, feather like, soft, comfortable. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fine stripes, contrast color, fine stripes pattern pallu with beautiful pom-pom design, very nice one. And I will suggest this ikat contrast blouse piece, cotton fabric ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2300 for your smart, elegant, exclusive looks. So very elegant color, same material, soft, comfortable, pure handloom, soft khadi cotton. This one is full base part, very elegant color combinations, contrast border with beautiful fine weaving stripes pattern. This one is beautiful border design, very nice one. And this one is full base part, very elegant, professional looks for your daily professional looks, very nice one. This one is full base part, very soft, comfortable, smart, trendy looks without running blouse piece. And this one is full base part, summer friendly obviously. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, stripes pattern, contrast color stripes pattern with beautiful pom-pom design pallu, very smart, elegant looks. And I will suggest this batik work cotton fabric, fully batik work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2300 for your exclusive, elegant looks. This one also, very beautiful color combinations, peach pink shade, and beautiful border design, same material, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton, soft comfortable one, contrast color weaving border. This one is, beautiful border design, middle portion fine weaving design, contrast color, and this one is full base part, very soft, comfortable, smart, elegant looks. And this one is, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, fine stripes pallu with beautiful pom-pom design without running blouse piece, only sari length. This one is, full base part, very trendy, smart looks, very soft, comfortable, feather like soft material. This one is beautiful soft one. And this one is fine weaving design, fully hand weaving design, border, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2200 for your exclusive daily looks. This one also, very bright one, based for your party wear. 27A K4 is saree code, 3600 is saree price, very elegant one, premium quality, pure handloom, silk linen material with beautiful contrast golden and silver zari weaving design work. This one is, full base part, bright black shade. This one is golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful golden zari weaving buta design, middle portion highlighted silver zari buta, very nice one. This one is, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, golden and silver zari contrast color stripes with buta design. And this one is, border portions, very beautiful one, golden zari heavy weaving design border with highlighted silver buta, middle portion, very nice one. This one is beautiful border design, very nice one, bright elegant looks, based for your party wear, fully golden zari heavy weaving design border with beautiful silver zari buta, contrast silver zari weaving buta design, very exclusive one. And this one is full base part, silk linen material, black base with buta work, very smart one. This one is full base part, very bright elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4000 for your bright elegant beautiful gorgeous looks. Also, very elegant beautiful one, bright looks. 27AK5 is saree code, 5200 is a saree price, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka with beautiful shivory work, very nice one. This one is, full base part, black base, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka base with beautiful shivory work, very nice one, very bright looks, beautiful one. This one is full base part, and this one is, pallu and beautiful one, fully beautiful shivory leaf pattern, shivory work, and beautiful pallu and beautiful pom-pom design, very exclusive one. And this one is, full base part, bright beautiful looks, very elegant also. This one is full base part, fully beautiful shivory work, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka with shivory design, very exclusive bright one. And I will suggest this silk material, fully self weaving heavy work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5600 for your exclusive bright gorgeous looks. This one also, same material, different color, very exclusive one. This one is, full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka with resham stripes design, full base, resham stripes, shell sequin with beautiful shivory dye. This one is, full base part. This one is resham stripes, shell sequin, resham stripes with beautiful shivory design, very nice one, exclusive, smart, trendy looks, very soft, comfortable one. This one is full base part, beautiful shivory work, resham, pure resham silk stripes, shell sequin stripes. And this one is, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, pure resham silk with shell sequin stripes design with beautiful hand weaving jamdani buta, very nice one, beautiful looks. And this one is pom-pom design, beautiful pom-pom work. and this one is pallu, and this one is full base part. Very smart, trendy, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. Very elegant also. This one also, you know, beautiful bright one, pure tissue silk, premium quality, pure handloom tissue silk. 27AK6 is saree code, 2700 is saree price. Very bright one, pure golden base, red contrast stripes pattern border. Very exclusive one, based for your party wear. This one is, you know, full base part. This one is border, contrast color, red stripes design border, and this one is full base part, tissue silk. And this one is pallu end is stripes pattern, contrast color stripes, and this one is, you know, full base part. Very elegant, smart, trendy looks, based for your party wear also. This one is full base part, this one is border design, fully golden base, tissue silk. And I will suggest this pure silk material, heavy weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3200 for your exclusive, smart, bright party looks. This one also, you know, very beautiful one, 27AK7 is saree code, 3200 is saree price. Very nice one, premium quality, 3200 is saree price. Premium quality, pure handloom silk linen with Banarasi weaving work. Very bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks also, beautiful color combinations also. Very nice one. This one is, you know, full base part, greenish yellow shade with contrast color dye border with fully Banarasi weaving work. Very exclusive one. And this one is, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color dye with beautiful golden zari, fully Banarasi weaving work, heavy work. Very nice one. This one is full base part. This one is pallu with pom-pom design, nice pom-pom design. And this one is, you know, border portions. Very beautiful one, contrast color dye border with beautiful golden zari, Banarasi weaving work. Very exclusive, smart, bright looks. This one is contrast color dye with golden zari weaving, Banarasi weaving design border. Very nice one and beautiful color combinations also. And this one is, you know, running blouse piece. Very beautiful one, fully Banarasi weaving work border with stripes pattern, running blouse piece. Very nice one, exclusive, smart, gorgeous looks. So, you know, very beautiful one, golden tissue linen. Very nice one, 27AK8 is saree code, 2400 is saree price. Very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen, golden tissue linen. Very beautiful, smart, elegant look, soft, comfortable one. And this one is, you know, border portions. Very nice one, fully weaving golden zari weaving border. And this one is, you know, full base part, golden tissue linen. Very nice one. And this one is, you know, pallu part, fine golden zari, fine stripes with beautiful pom-pom in. Very nice one, pallu in. And this one is, you know, full base part, pure golden tissue linen with beautiful fine golden zari weaving border design, fully weaving border. And this one is full base. Very smart, elegant, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this pure silk material, heavy weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2900 for your elegant, smart, bright party looks. This one also, you know, very exclusive one, exclusive hand weaving design, 27AK9 is saree code, 6800 is saree price. Pure handloom matka with Banarasi weaving border design. Very nice one, elegant, exclusive, smart looks, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom matka. And this one is, you know, border contrast color with fine Banarasi, fully hand weaving Banarasi design border. And this one is full base part, beautiful one, fully hand weaving butta design, full base. And this one is full base part, very smart one. And this one is, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color red pallu with beautiful fine weaving design, stripes pattern weaving design pallu. Very elegant, smart, exclusive looks, soft, comfortable, trendy one, contrast weaving border, Banarasi weaving border design. This one is beautiful weaving border, and this one is full piece part, very nice one. And this one is contrast color running blouse piece, and this one is full piece, very trendy smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, pure silk material, heavy weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 7300 for your elegant, smart, exclusive, trendy looks. This one also, very nice one, beautiful color combinations. 2AK10 is saree code, 3600 is a saree price. Beautiful one, smart looks, premium quality, pure handloom, silk lane, contrast border, contrast dye border with beautiful weaving design border work. This one is contrast color dye with beautiful Banarasi weaving border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color yellow shaded with fine stripes pattern pallu with beautiful pom-pom design. And this one is full base part, pink base contrast yellow dye with beautiful fine weaving design border. This one is beautiful fine weaving border design, and this one is full base part, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom, silk lane, contrast dye border, yellow border with beautiful Banarasi weaving work. And this one is running blouse piece, yellow shaded, and I will suggest this bouquet work, small bouquet work, butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3600 for your elegant, exclusive, trendy, smart looks. This one also same material, different color, beautiful color combination, silk linen material with contrast color dye border and pallu. And this one is full base part, beautiful color combinations. This one is border portion, contrast color dye border with beautiful Banarasi weaving work. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color dye border with beautiful fine stripes pattern pallu with beautiful pom-pom design. And this one is full base part, this one is full base part, beautiful color, and this one is border fully Banarasi weaving design border, contrast color dye with Banarasi weaving border design, very smart, trendy, exclusive looks, beautiful color combinations also. And this one is running blouse piece, contrast color, and I will suggest this pure silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3600 for your exclusive, smart, bright, beautiful looks. This one also beautiful one, same material, beautiful color combinations. Yellow base, contrast orange dye border and pallu. This one is full base part, beautiful one. This one is pallu part, contrast color dye pallu with beautiful silver zari stripes pattern, fine stripes pattern pallu, beautiful pom-pom design. And this one is full base part, contrast color dye with Banarasi weaving design border. And this one is full base part, very smart, elegant, trendy looks, orange contrast dye border. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one, and I will suggest this heavy bouquet, small butta bouquet work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3600 for your elegant, smart, bright looks. Very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, linen by linen. 27AK11 is saree code, 3600 is saree price, very beautiful one, natural fabric, linen by linen with katha stitch design, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, beautiful stripes pattern, katha stitch design. This one is beautiful katha stitch pattern work, very nice one, soft, comfortable, elegant, smart looks, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, linen by linen. This one is bottom portions, beautiful katha stitch design, and this one is upper portion, stripes pattern, very elegant one. This one is running blouse piece, fully stitching stripes. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully katha stitch design, very nice one, beautiful pom-pom design. And this one is pallu part natural fabric, lane by lane with kantha stitch design. Very nice one, smart, trendy, elegant looks. And I will suggest this heavy embroidery work contrast blouse piece, synthetic material heavy embroidery work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3800 for your elegant, smart, trendy looks. This one also, same material, different color, gray shade, very elegant one. Natural fabric, lane by lane with beautiful colorful stitching, kantha stitch design. This one is, full base part. This one is beautiful kantha stitch stripes. This one is upper portion, beautiful stripes pattern, and this one is beautiful fine kantha stitch stripes. Very elegant one. Natural fabric, lane by lane. This one is full base part. Full base part is work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one. Fully kantha stitch stripes. Smart, trendy, exclusive looks, very elegant one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric kalamkari printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3900 for your smart, elegant, exclusive looks. This one also, beautiful one, silk linen material, 27A K12 piece saree code 3600 is saree price. Very nice work, beautiful color combinations, also premium quality, pure handloom, silk linen contrast dye border with beautiful golden and silver zari weaving design border. This one is beautiful golden and silver zari contrast weaving work border, and this one is full base part, beautiful fine weaving buta design, very elegant, smart, exclusive looks. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color dye with beautiful golden and silver zari stripes pattern pallu with beautiful pom pom design. And this one is full base part, beautiful one, yellow base, and this one is border portion, fine weaving design border, golden and silver zari weaving design border, contrast color dye with beautiful work, very exclusive one. And this one is full base part, beautiful buta design, very smart, trendy, exclusive looks. Soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom, silk linen with beautiful weaving design. And this one is contrast color running blouse piece with border design. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work, Banarasi weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, bright, gorgeous looks. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4200 for your trendy looks. This one also, beautiful one, elegant looks, 27AK13 is saree code, 2300 is saree price, very smart looks, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with beautiful contrast color, wide border, highlighted silver zari lines. This one is fully border. This one is beautiful wide border, highlighted silver zari lines, and this one is beautiful base, fine lane by lane. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also contrast color, highlighted silver zari stripes lines pallu. And this one is full base part, soft, comfortable, fine lane by lane with beautiful border, very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece. This one is full base part, highlighted border, silver zari lines. And I will suggest this silk material heavy weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2800 for your exclusive, smart, bright looks. This one also beautiful bright one, 27AK14 is saree code, 3200 is saree price, very nice one, beautiful color, bright bottle green shade, premium quality, pure handloom, cotton silk with beautiful weaving design. This one is full base part. This one is border portions, beautiful weave temple pattern weaving design border. And this one is small weaving buta work, full base part. And this one is pallu part, northeast pattern weaving design by Gicha threaded with contrast color threaded weaving design pallu, very exclusive, elegant look, soft, comfortable, smart, bright one. And this one is full base part. Full base part is beautiful buta work by Gicha thread. gicha threaded weaving design, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece part, very elegant, smart, trendy looks. And I will suggest this bouquet work, heavy small weaving buta bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree, with this contrast blouse piece. This saree price will be 3600 for your bright, exclusive, smart looks. Also same material, beautiful bright color, cotton silk material, pure handloom cotton silk with beautiful weaving design, full base part, bright color. This one is full base part. This one is border portions, beautiful weaving design, temple pattern weaving design by Gicha weaving work, very nice one. And this one is full base part, beautiful small buta work, very bright, elegant, smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, northeast weaving pattern by Gicha, and this one is contrast color with Gicha weaving design pallu, very exclusive, smart, trendy looks. This one is beautiful weaving design, fully hand weaving, very exclusive, smart one. And I will suggest this bouquet work, synthetic material, heavy bouquet work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3400 for your smart, bright, exclusive looks. And today I have draped a beautiful saree, premium quality, pure handloom matka base with beautiful contrast color, Banarasi weaving design border. This one is beautiful, fully hand weaving Banarasi work border, and full base part is beautiful buta, very nice one. And this one is fully hand weaving Banarasi, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving Poitani design, very exclusive one, Banarasi with Poitani contrast weaving design, very exclusive combinations, very nice one, soft, comfortable, and matka base, pure handloom, hand spun matka, Banarasi border, Poitani hand weaving Poitani design pallu, very exclusive combination, 7800 is saree price. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.